Hi, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Welcome to a themed week of streams. We're trying something different here. I'm giving something a shot here. Welcome to Virtual Lands and Virtual Friends. Or hold on. Wait, what's the name of my own theme week? Virtual Friends in Virtual Lands. That makes more sense to me. All this week we are playing games that are online that promised a virtual land in a virtual friends, and it'll make more sense when you see what games we're playing this week. Tonight though is I think the most coin flip of all four of the things we're doing this week. Tonight we are playing what may not have been the first MMO, but damn near the first. The progenitor, the one that popularized it, if you will. Not World of Warcraft. You're not gonna catch me dead playing that. Sorry. Tonight we're playing Ultima Online. A game released. When did Ultima Online come out? 98? Is that right? Oh, September 24th, 1997. Okay, Ultima Online is older than I am. So we're playing that tonight. Ultima Online still has a website? Ultima Online apparently still exists. There is a modern version of Ultima Online. I don't know who has this. EA, okay. That's interesting because what we're playing tonight is not a new legacy. What we're playing tonight is not this version of Ultima Online. What we're playing is a private server that has the intent on being as accurate to Ultima Online at launch as it can be while also how do I put this, not blowing up your computer. So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna play Ultima Online tonight. To me, Ultima Online is the first game that promised, hey, there's an online virtual world in your computer. Log on, get on, go do raids, everything that all the MMOs that I knew and played in the early 2000s and the mid 2000s all owed what they did to Ultima Online. And so I thought, wouldn't it be interesting to play the first MMO? Wouldn't it be interesting to get into that and see what the hell was this? What's going on? And the fact that we're playing on a private server that should have at least an okay pop, at least an okay amount of people online. Cool. Is this can I say this up front? This is one for me. Sometimes I do a stream and I do it for you. Sometimes I do a stream and I do it for me. This one's for me because it was supposed to actually be a retro archaeology stream. Because it's truly the core of what I'm interested in doing for retro archaeology, which is like, what is an experience, or what is something you can't experience now? And yeah, you can apparently play Ultima Online. Apparently you can download it, but it's a different Ultima Online. It's not the Ultima Online of 1997. And so I'm interested in exploring that. I'm interested in seeing just what the hell that is going to be like. And quite frankly, is it going to be exciting? No, probably not. But I'm deeply interested, and I think if you like what I do here, or if you just like watching me ramble, I think this is gonna be a good stream to try and blow the dust off of the most dusty ass, musty ass dinosaur bones that could still connect to the internet. So that's the plan. That's tonight for Virtual Friends and Virtual Lands. Tomorrow, we're hopping to another virtual land. Another one that promised a truly immersive experience, but delivered it in a way that is outdated. And that is Webkinz. Wednesday, then no stream because I gotta work late. You know the drill. Thursday, then another land, another virtual land. How do I put this one? A virtual land executed by its owners. Ultima Online is still up. Webkinz is still up. But what if there was a virtual land that got gangland style executed, but is constantly not only maintained, but evolved by the players who fell in love with it? Thursday, Toontown Online. And then Friday, I wanted to, we're doing all these like, oh, these were online, this was the online experience 97. This was the online experience 2007. What is the online experience now? Because, yeah, MMOs still exist, obviously. Have you heard Final Fantasy XIV, the hit MMO RPG, now with a free trial? But every game has an online component. Every game, multiplayer is baked into a game. What is it? If you want to experience online gaming with your friends, what is that in 2026? And I don't think that is quite frankly, I don't think that is exploring a virtual land. That being said, I did kick around the idea of doing a VR chat exploration stream, but was advised against that because I could accidentally walk in on Hanky Panky, virtual Hankus Pankus, and we ain't doing that. I don't know what that is, but it's probably something stupid, probably dumb. So instead, on Friday, we're doing some from Friend Slop games with our friends and our slops. That's the plan. Again, this was I don't even really know where this idea came from to do a themed week, but I'm gonna enjoy this. I think this is gonna be a great week of streams, a great week of one-offs. You don't have to have watched 27 other fucking Minecraft streams where I do a jack diddly squat. You can just hop in and watch a bunch of one-offs. So that's the plan. With Ultima Online, this is going to be the hardest one for a lot of reasons, in a lot of ways. You're going to have to bear with me here when I start this, because not only do I know I can capture this, because I tried, because I came prepared, but It's about how to capture this. And we're going to have to, I'm going to work on that a little bit. Live tech support. Also, it's just going to be a lot of learning. Again, we're exploring. What I know about Ultima Online is it's few and far between, but I know, you know, in RuneScape. Let's talk about an Ultima Online successor. RuneScape. When you know how RuneScape is, where you just kind of wander around, chop them trees, fish? You want to know where they got that from? Ultima Online. Ultima Online doesn't have NPCs. It's got shopkeeps, but Ultima Online doesn't have quests. You quest. You do it. Because the idea of Ultima Online was you are a member. You are in Lord British's kingdom. Do whatever, man. Hey, man, it's a virtual land. Explore. So you make friends. You maybe get brutally mutilated 800 times. You meet some fellow adventurers. You go on a raid. Or maybe you just wander alone. What happens in Ultima Online stays in Ultima Online. And I'm very interested in exploring and trying to just get a mental picture, because World of Warcraft did not appear overnight, contrary to what Activision may tell you. Everything comes from something, and I'm always deeply interested in understanding the progression of video games as art. How did we get here? How did we get specifically here? Not there, but maybe sometimes there, but definitely here. And I think Ultima Online is one of the, I'm not going to say unsung, like it's an underrated gem no one heard of, but in the annals of history, when we talk about gaming as an art form, it seems to be that one day John Romero put deathmatch online in Doom, the first person to ever consider shooting your friends, and then the next day World of Warcraft was born. We kind of skip over the fact that Ultima Online existed and blew everyone's mind. Well, every nerd's mind for a New York minute. And I'm excited as a nerd to explore that. So that's the plan. That's what we're doing tonight. Hopefully my spiel has sold you and you're buckled in. Ooh, what's Ultima Online gonna be like? And get ready. and I say that with warning, and I say that not hype. I say that with caution. Get ready. Be prepared, because I tested this. I did, make sure I could capture it and everything. And we're using a custom loader to play on a private server. And I guess you could call that a video game. It's gonna be good. This is gonna be fun. But that's the plan. Chat, how are you? How's everyone doing? It's a beautiful Monday here in central Pennsylvania. I went for a walk. That was dope. I went for a walk and I forgot that this weekend I made 12 plus. I'm going to put a plus on it because there's one that's not done. But 12 plus clips for social media to post every day for the next 2 weeks. And I went for a walk, and then I got home from the walk and I went, I didn't upload any of those. I got a live stream. I didn't upload any of those. So I'll do that tomorrow. It'll be fun. It's not like any of those clips are going to age poorly. Unless Nintendo President Koizumi dies tragically tonight, None of those clips are gonna age poorly, I don't think. Unless I die tragically tonight. Then all of those clips are gonna age poorly, aren't they? I wanna like pre-record like 40 streams. I don't know how I would do this, but I want to pre-record 40 streams. And then if I like die, like FLG goes on for like another month. And it's like, yeah, he died like a month ago. He's gone. Good idea or bad idea? I'm thinking maybe bad idea, actually. I'm thinking maybe really bad idea if I did that. I'm thinking atomically bad idea if I did that. But you know, who's gonna stop me? All right, I'm clearly caffeinated enough. I clearly do not need to be drinking any more of that. All right. Is there anything else I wanted to say before we start the arduous process of trying to figure out exactly what the hell Ultima Online is? Your ghost would make so much money. What's my ghost gonna need it for, though? You don't need money in hell. Or do you? It's your dumb idea. It's a great idea. One. I'll set up an estate and then I'll pre-record like 6 months worth of streams, right? But as they go on, I'm progressively going to run out of like relevant things to talk about. So I'm going to start making up my own news. And I'm going to do like my own Nintendo Direct and react to it, okay? And it's going to get progressively more unhinged. And then, yeah, it'll be like, yeah, he died like 6 months ago. And then all $7 that I make for 6 months of streaming is, that's gonna go to my estate, which will be handed down to my children, and they can get like a small Blizzard at Dairy Queen or something. And get like a small fry at McDonald's. That'll be good. I talked about this last week, but Twitch was like, hey, you should set up a bit goal. Chatters love giving you bits if you have a bit goal. And I was like, okay, you know, the price of video games is very expensive right now. Any support is genuinely appreciated. Takes the smallest of weight off my shoulders, right? And I set this all up and I got this going, and now every stream summary Twitch emails me includes hey, no one gave you any bits this stream. Are you talking about it enough? Twitch, I'm not here to do that, man. I'm not here to like beg for money. Kind of not what I'm interested in doing on the internet. And then I got an email the other day. Hey. So, about your Twitch payout. We noticed it takes you a long time to hit your payout quota. Do you want to increase your payout quota so that you have more money? No, the $50 that I get from streaming every like 5 months When I said I'm gonna make $7 on streaming, I'm not joking. That's a good month, baby. That's a good month. But Twitch are like, yeah, do you want to like increase that to $100 and then we'll give you payouts when you hit $100? No, why would I want to do that? I'm gonna wait all year for my $100 check from Twitch. Like, no, I'm good on that. Thanks. I'll just take the money now. Thanks. Please use our future. We need you to promote feature. Yeah, I mean, that's what it is. And they got me. I made that bit goal, and it's still, chat, if you want to give me some bits so I can afford, Splatoon Raiders or Star Fox, if you're enjoying the streams and enjoying what I'm doing and you want to throw me some money, it's always appreciated. It's never necessary, but it's always deeply appreciated, especially if you're subscribing. Then you get emotes and everything. This might be a hot take. Maybe I shouldn't say this. Maybe Twitch is going to send me an email. Subscribing is the way, as a chatter, if I want to give a streamer money, I subscribe because then I get emotes and I get ad-free viewing. Bits are great. As a streamer, I love getting bits, but as a chat member, it's like, well, if I want to give them money, I'll sub or give subs like that. So anyways, if you want to help me forge shit, it's always deeply, deeply appreciated, but never necessary. I've done this with 3 subscribers. I've done this with 0 people in my chat and 3 subscribers. One of them, I think, was myself. I'll do this with 1 million people in chat and 3 million subscribers. I'm here regardless. I'm playing Ultima Online just because it's curious. It's a curious situation to me. I'm here day, night, whenever it's right. I'm doing what I'm doing.
I'd buy that for $1.
Gavin, thank you for the 100 bits. That's $1 towards, Gavin, do you want that to go to Star Fox or Splatoon Raiders? No, I'm not buying that new Halo. Nah, I'm not buying that. I own Halo 1 2 times already. I don't need to do it again. I want it to go to you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for the 100 bits. Anyways. Chad, how are you? How's everyone doing? Before, because I'm going to have to lock in when we launch Ultima Online. I'm going to have to lock in for a little bit. Just to make sure it captures and looks okay on stream. And if we're going to get anywhere that isn't getting brutally murder mogged, I am going to have to lock in a little bit. So, Chad, how are you? Talk to me. Yap with me, baby. What'd you do this weekend, chat? I worked on clips for the socials, which if you don't follow me on TikTok or you're not subscribed to the VOD Stash channel, please do those and support those new clips as they roll out. That is deeply appreciated. Anything to make the goal is to make the algorithm like me. Before I start releasing some truly heinous clips. So I worked on that and I played some more Final Fantasy IX. That's a good game. It's a good game. In Final Fantasy IX, I unlocked Quina, who's a blue mage whose whole thing is they eat the enemies. You weaken an enemy and then they eat them and learn a new spell by eating them, which rules. And then their best spell is called Frog Drop, which you'll never guess what happens. They drop a lot of frogs. And to power up Frog Drop, you have to play frog catching mini games. And the more frogs you catch, to the maximum of like 23,000 frogs, the better Frog Drop as a spell is. And so Frog Drop, by like mid to late game, can become like a one-shot machine. It can become so busted if you grind frog catching. And that's what I'm into. I can go out here, I can grind fighting a monster, but you tell me I'm going to catch some frogs for like 6 hours a day, I'm in. I'm doing it. So I did that this weekend. And I played Minecraft. I played actually too much Minecraft. I played a disgusting amount of Minecraft. Which, sorry to the Marchcraft folks. We're taking a week off from Marchcraft. Thanks for the fence. You're welcome. Been rebuilding it all day to try and make it pretty. Well, redesign. Okay. I followed your design. I followed what you were doing. But there were points. There's one specific part. And I debated telling you this. There's one part where instead of it being 3 fence pieces to the next tree, it was 4 fence pieces. And I was like, I should tear all of this down. I should tear this down and fix it. I should rip this down and do the 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. I'm like, no, it's her fence. It's her fence. Maybe she's got a reason that's a 4-parter instead of a 3-parter. It's her fence. Do the job you're hired to do, not the job you want to do, or something. Something like that. So I didn't. But I dug my hole. I ran my robots. I designed. I think I'm gonna become a landlord in Minecraft. I think that's my goal. I think I'm gonna build an apartment complex and then kidnap people from villages and make them live in my apartment complex and work for me. It's Company Town. It is crazy to me that Ultima Online's website is still up. I had not considered that there's Ultima Online still exists in like 20th anniversary event art. So that would have been almost a decade ago was the 20th anniversary. Because it came out in 97. Screenshots. Yeah, let's see. So chat, this is what we're looking at playing tonight. Wow, these are good screenshots, guys. These are really good screenshots. These are official screenshots on Ultima Online's website. None of this conveys anything of any worth. Why are these the screenshots? Okay. 15th anniversary. Happy 15th anniversary. Hell yeah. So 15 would have been 2012. The King's Speech. Wow. Dude, this is hardcore. Lunch menu. Boiled taint. All right. Okay. Spring Contest 2026. Wait, 2016. Sorry. This is a decade old. And again, I think this is new Ultima Online. This is not, we're playing release Ultima Online. Our Ultima Online's gonna look a lot worse than that. The Town Crier. When was the last Town Crier put? Oh, Heckle's Joke Corner. Why do leprechauns love to garden? Because they have green thumbs? That's fucked up. What kind of Valentine's gift never arrives on time? Choco Lake. That's good. Well, now hold on. That's a good one. EA Store. Oh, you can still, good news, guys. You can still pay $20 for a new character slot on Ultima Online. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. All right. Well, what is Ultima Online? Immersive sandbox. That's actually a good way to put what you're gonna see tonight. A sandbox. Let's go with that. Okay. See, now this isn't. I have a separate getting started guide because this is not completely relevant to us. What's on their YouTube? When was their last YouTube? 1 month ago. Wait. Why is it? Hold on. Is this a VTuber stream? What is this? Hold on. The official Ultima Online YouTube channel only has 3,000 subscribers. And has... Hello? And there's an official Ultima Online VTuber. That's kind of dope, actually. Ultima Online Sprite Light 1 month ago. Again, this is not relevant to us. We won't be seeing any of this. But I just want to know what is it like playing actual retail Ultima Online in 2026. Oh wow, this looks way better than what we're going to see tonight. Yeah, you heard me, chat. Better. Master Tinkers. So is this an expansion or is this an event? It's an event. You know, it's cool that it's still getting updates. I think that's cool. Let's play it. Chat, any of you have any experience with Ultima Online? Do any of you have like, yeah, I was, oh my, hold on. Hold on. Just, okay, fine. Everything's fine. To show you what we're dealing with here. To show you what we're dealing with here. This is how the game appears on my desktop. But we're going to do this smart. Nope. We're going to do this in a really smart, good way. Look at that. It pop out. Wow. Welcome to Ultima Online. What happens if I click movie? Show starting movie. I don't know if I remember my password. I set this account up a few weeks ago. Uh-oh. No, that's not my password. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Okay. So this is the private server we're playing on. This is set up by, let me get their name, Spleen. And I don't know. I guess this was set up for Magellar, who is a YouTuber, a content creator that I really like. I really, really like. And he's been doing an Ultima retrospective for years. And by that I mean like maybe 2 years. But I have no interest in Ultima. I've never played in Ultima. Quite frankly, I've watched all of these Ultima retrospective videos. I still don't really care about Ultima. But I understand the importance of Ultima. And I like Magellar's videos. So when he announced, like, hey, we're doing an Ultima Online private server, please join. Say less. I'll play. And so we'll play. All right. Paladin, Necromancer, Warrior, Mage, Blacksmith, or Advanced. I want to be a mage. Nice. This we got 8K graphics right now, chat. Long. Whoa. Ponytail. Whoa. Mohawk. Page boy. Ew. Curly. Receding. Two tail. All right. Thoughts? Is this to rotate the character? No, that's just to go back. Why do you think you can rotate the character? This is Ultima Online, not The Sims. Moron. Um. Well, I want to be a. All right, I'm gonna be a mage. I'm gonna be a wizard. I think we should have long hair. I think we should go. Or can I be bald? None. Hmm. About none. None hair, long beard. Yeah. Wow. Anyone else feeling immersed right now? Skin tone. Okay. Shirt color. Um. Go like a light pink. And then can I do like light pink pants? Can I make this look like one color? Can I color match here? Well, that kind of looks like cool jean shorts. I kind of like that. I kind of like the pink polo and the jorts. Okay. They do not have just like white hair. You cannot have white hair. Character name. uh, Wizard. Gram, Grandpa, Grandpappy. Yeah, this is gonna be a good stream. Yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna be a good stream. Before we get in there, though, let me double check. Okay. Um, I just want to make sure there is a list of settings that they've provided that is in this Discord server, and I just want to make sure they're set up right. Additional options. Okay, I did uncheck these so we could get as close to 1997 as possible. Speech and messages. Targeting cues. Check everything except for object delay. See, there's all these quality of life things with Razer, which is a it's a loader to make the game as close to 1997 as possible. And we're not doing that. We want it. There's quality of life stuff, but we want this to be fucked, quite frankly. With all due respect. Okay. All right, Wizard Grandpappy. What if I maybe I make a magic Grandpappy. Just Grandpappy. Hold on. I got it. Happy cast it. Hell yeah. Good old Pappy. Make him an elf. No, make him a human. He's better as a human. Make him a girl. Make him a hot girl. Whoa. Next. Creating character. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh no, we're not capturing it that way. All right. Hey guys, welcome to Ultima Online. Oh, okay. All right, we're walking. We're walking. And everything's going so good so far. And I'm not scared. And I'm not crying. Okay, this is what we look like. And I'm not scared. Okay. Let's check the chat. Cuckold Destroyer. We gotta get out of here. Okay. All right, I think we're safe. I think the town guards are gonna protect me. All right, this rules. This is already good. Okay, skills. Actions? Animal taming. Begging. Wait, what do you mean begging? That's one of my skills is begging? Okay. All right. How do I close this? Yo, how do I close it? Probably this. No, well, that like pinned it over there. That's fine. Okay, I want to hit Alt O. Okay, oh, music's on. Never mind. Tooltip. Yeah, can we make the font bigger? Because I'm an old man. Macros, that's cool. This rules. Okay, we want display. This is what we want. And we want set gameplay window to max size. Well, but that doesn't. That doesn't actually increase the window size, though. Maximum resolution in windowed mode is 800 by 600. Dude, we're living in the future. Oh, wait. No, that's just colors. And before anyone in the chat goes, we'll just put it in full screen mode. I've been warned if I do that, my computer is gonna explode. So I will not be doing that, but thank you for the suggestion. Okay, this is actually easier for me to read like this. How does I mean, I know this looks like it looks like Ultima Online. How did on your end though, chat? This is crazy. This thing runs in a like Windows 7 box. I haven't seen a box like this in so long. Wait, I want to see the intro. All right, I think we're all right. How do we do anything? Hello? How do I go inside? Wooden door. How use wooden door. How to use. What did I just do? No. Wait. Inventory. It all. What is this? I have a pair scissors. Gold coin. Clumsy. Add to spell book. Me? Like, do I cast it on myself? It's a good stream. This rules. Add to spell book. Me. How how do I use my spell book? Spell book. Wizard's hat. No. Spell book. No. Spell book. Robe. No. Spell book. Inventory. The spell book's not in my inventory? Dagger. Okay. Can I how do I use dagger? Use no. Are these my spells? No. All right, we're gonna figure this out, Chad. Don't worry. by the end of this stream, what the fuck did I just do? Turn it back! No, I broke it! Turn it, fix it! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I gave it a rash. All right, let's just run it. Let's just boot it up again. It'll be fine. This rules. I figured this stream could go one of two ways. Either it's gonna be a really interesting retro archaeology stream, or it's going to be a shit show. And I think we might know which one it's gonna be. Movie. That still doesn't work. Okay. Happy cast it. Next. Now, okay, chat, let's think. Inventory. This is not where my spell book is. Open backpack. No. If I skills. Let's say veterinary. I wanted wrestling. I don't know what any of that means. How would I cast a spell? Should we look at the original Ultima Online hint book from Origin Systems? I'm downloading the PDF right now. Let's try clicking that. Okay, movement. Young Status. My favorite SoundCloud rapper. Magic. Spellbooks. Spellbooks contain a collection of permanently inscribed spells for casting. You may open a spellbook by double-clicking it and then flip through the pages to see which spells it contains. Oh, so it's a magic system based on regents or reagents? Like we got to get the goods to cast the spells. Okay. How do I close? So double click on the spellbook. Ah, okay. Heal. Magic arrow. Heal. Magic arrow. Night sight. Cure. Harm. Okay, if we got a light, I think we should cast that. Fireball. Teleport. We ain't making it out of this. I'm gonna die here, man. Add to spellbook. That add it to my spellbook. You suck. What? Uh-oh. Oh, I just cast clumsy on myself. My dexterity is changed by -6. Oh, I just wasted that spell too. Brother, we ain't ever making it out of Britannia. They're gonna bury me in Britannia, man. How do I open the door? Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Now we're cooking, guys. Close the door. It's polite. Hello? Oh, here's the guy. Drew the Wandering Healer. Can you train me in forensic evaluation? 280 gold? I don't have that. I got 100. Goodbye. Goodbye, Drew the Wandering Healer. Whatever his name was. Alright. Hey, what do you think that bar up the top that's getting low? What do you think that is? Movement. That? No. I'd like to know what is that? H, M, and S? Oh, S is probably like stamina. Like if I run too much, my little foot would probably get tired. Wouldn't oh. This is Strongbox. You're right. Hello? Idola the Innkeeper. Hello? See, here's the again. There's no quests, man. It's a sandbox. I want to cast Magic Arrow on the Innkeeper. This may flag you criminal. All right, never mind. I got scared. Never mind. Maybe let's like leave the town. You know, it's a this place sucks. You got one log cabin and one stone cabin, and both of them are trying to shake you down. Let's journey out into the world. Maybe there'll be like cool. Maybe there'll be like cool music. Rock. Alright, Chad, is this a 10 out of 10 stream or what? Chat, which northeast, southwest, pick a direction. When I die, delete my Ultima Online account. Dude, that's a sick bumper sticker. Okay, we're gonna go south. Pot. Cauldron. Can I have this? Oh, it's a tent. Small fish. Oh, it's like a fisherman. Hey, man, can I have your fish? You gonna eat those? Carl the oh, I'm not saying that word. Hold on. Hold on. It was 1997. Slurs were cooler then. I can't talk to Carl. Can I kill Carl? Magic Era. Uh-oh. All right, don't kill Carl. We can't be a criminal yet until I figure out how to play the game. Can I have this flower? This is a nice little flower. Can I have this? I don't know how to do anything. Wait, I got scissors. Oops. Okay, take my scissors and use them on the flower. What's that? Why did it make that noise? Oh, I just threw them on the ground. Wait, I need those back. Dude, video games, it's so fucking cool. Dude, I love video games. Holy hell, man. I love gaming. Can I collect mushrooms? What about the dagger? Can I use the dagger? On the mushroom. You know, they really should have put like a guy at the start who like lets you buy a pickaxe or something. Can I eat this fallen log? No. Oh, there's another house. A lich? Wait! No, wait! Wait a minute, man! I just got here! A cougar? Wait! No! Wait a minute, man! I died. Now what do I do? Is it one of those like... I don't think you make your way back to your body. Maybe it's like the opposite of World of Warcraft where I gotta make my way back home. Hold on, let's... NPC. Fame, karma. Potion. Cursed items. Bank checks. Travel. Is that a horse? Where's how to search? You know, search death. No, search. Respawn. Nothing. All right. Well, guys, Pappy Casket just fucking died. Help. How do I resurrect sheep? Man, I wish I found the sheep before I found the bitch. Oh, and now it's raining. Great. People genuinely had to do this shit with no guides back in the day. Well, you did have one guide. If you purchased the Ultima Origins official guide to Ultima Online, full color poster inside. You know, maybe this will tell me what to do when I die. Oh Jesus, this is big. Ask Death Dealer. Hints. Buying combat. Adventuring. Never travel between cities alone. Ships. Magic. Jesus, there's a lot of summoning circles. Oh yeah, you could straight up talk to the NPCs. Okay. You can use keywords. That's an Ultima thing. But what do I do? How do I Easter egg? Pizza is a food item in the game. Nice, man. But what do I do? How to respawn? Oh, here we go. Here, you'll die. Dying isn't necessarily a terrible thing. You can still wander the world and spook any mortals you find. However, if you decide to stay undead, you must be willing to sacrifice your skills and attributes. Give up your mortal belongings. Okay. Okay. No one will be able to see your dead character on their screen. Uh, Resurrection. When you die, you're immediately presented with a choice. You can wander as a spirit, or you can resurrect yourself instantly. The second option seems more attractive on the face of it. Comes with a cost. You can lose up to 25% of your skill and attribute values. Oh, fuck. We're going to have negative skill and attribute values. Um, how to resurrect. How to resurrect. Um, peace. How? Shut up. Search. Resurrect. How to resurrect. How the hell do I resurrect skills? Open the skill window. No. How the hell do I resurrect, man? This is great. This rules. The hell am I supposed to do? Kill. No. How? How do you resurrect? How do you resurrect? Jesus. How the hell kill? How do I resurrect? This is so good. This is so dope. This is so good. This is so dope. Just making sure there isn't like a window hidden somewhere. Okay, let me. Okay. No one has any. There's no. Oh man. Okay, here we go. Wait. There's no NPC dialogue. NPCs can buy, sell, train, and offer you bulk items. Orders for money. You can make your own quest. Make use of training early on. Skills take a long time to develop. Okay. Uh, when you die, you can come back to life by walking up to a healer. There are a lot of healers wandering around the wilderness, and some in towns. And when you die, you're gonna lose everything. Ah, fuck. All right, so we just have to wander around until we find a healer. Chat, this is one of the most influential games of all time. Oh, he's a healer. Duh. Yeah, go to the wandering healer to heal. Okay, bring me. I am dead and cannot do that. What? Open a door? Oh, just face through. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Oh, I lost my cool clothes. Okay. Oh, did I lose my spell book? Why can you move this bar? Stop moving. Oh, there's my clothes. Okay. How do I put them on? How do I? How do I put my clothes on? I would like to wear my pants now. Did I put them on? Maybe I gotta take my first one off. There we go. Game is deafening. I have it. I understand that. I just turned it down even further. I have it cranked low anyways. It's loud. Loud game. Okay, put my hat on. Get my book. If I take away my book, can I hold a dagger? Whoa. Yeah, I mean the game in general is mute. It's devoid. All right. Well, we kind of just like got all my stuff back already. So that was cool. We just need to find like Someone to teach me shit. Like, there's all kinds of menial little tasks you could do in this game, and I just want to do that. I just want to chop down trees and go fishing. Counselors Guild. That's good. I need counseling. Excuse me. There's no one here? No. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You have this whole Counselors Guild building and nobody's here? Painting. I'm gonna steal this painting. Fuck you. The Champions of Light. What is this? Final Fantasy 14? Who just giggled at me? Imogene. Train Arms Lord. Train Parrying. Train Tactics. Train Swordsmanship. Train Fencing. There's a lich. Oh. In the building. Wait. What are you doing in here? The fuck? I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kick its ass this time. There we go. Oh, it killed me in one shot. It killed me in one shot. This is fine. This is fine. This is what you did in 1999. This is what you did in 1997. You put on your favorite Korn CD and you played Ultima Online. You listened to Papa Roach. You put on Rob Zombie. All right, Drew the Wandering Healer, please heal me. Thank you. Okay. We gotta find like where's like Pat the Baker? Oh, I could just be naked. Do I not have shoes? I'm realizing now I've got no shoes. All right. This is still a nightmare. Okay. I'm reading the general tips from the Discord, and I guess you could call that a tip. Do we have like any cool spells I can like cast on myself? Heal. Go this way. I just want to like collect flowers and bake bread. A skeleton? Oh, that's a perfect guy to murder. Skeleton's not gonna one-shot me. Oh, oh shit, here he comes. Magic arrow. Magic arrow. Oh, I don't have enough regions for this spell! I'm out of regions, man. Open your spell book, man. Get rid of the spell book. Equip knife. Kill this guy. Kill that guy. Get that guy dead as shit. We getting him? That sounds like I'm whiffing. That's not the noise of you successfully stabbed a skeleton. Am I winning? I don't think so. His health bar's not going down. Okay. But mine is. Mine definitely is. I really need you to kill this guy right now. This is going so good. I need the town guards. Please help me. Why can't I use my dagger? Why am I not allowed to use my knife? Please, town guards. I think I'm safe here. Help me, town guards. Town guards, help. I don't think there's a single guard in this town. Magic arrow. I don't have any regions. Help me, Drew, the wandering healer. Save me, Drew. Hold on, I'm safe up here. Spyglass. I want that. Why can't I take the spyglass? Why do you hate me? I cast fireball. I don't have a black pearl. Are there any spells I can cast with no reagents? No. And now I'm gonna get fucking murder mogged by a skeleton. This is the worst day of my life. Equip dagger. If we could kill one skeleton by the end of the stream, I'll consider this the greatest day of my life. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. He's turning around. Stab him. Stab him. Please stab him. Please stab him. For the love of God. What are you doing? Please let me in. For the love of all that is holy. Attack. Just do. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I Whatever I was doing earlier to swing and miss, I can't even do that anymore. Dude. This game rules. Okay. I think we're safe in here. How do I talk? Chat. Open paper doll. No. Buy. Okay, bottle of ale, bottle of wine, jar of cider, pitcher, wheel of cheese, leg of lamb, grape, a chessboard, dice. Ooh, dice cup. I only have 100 gold. Should I spend 2 of it on a dice cup? Contract of employment. Combat. Initiating an attack. Let's first enter war mode. Oh, I'm in peace mode. Oh, duh, chat. You have to set peace mode to war mode. How could I be so stupid? Of course, man. Of course. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go kick some skeleton ass. Hold on. Let's go kick some. Let's go. Hold on. Let's go kick some skeleton ass. Hold on, it's loading. That was way louder than I expected. Let's roll. right. I don't know where the skeleton went that we baited over. I don't know what happened to that skeleton. Can you put a one chat, put a 1 in chat if you think I'm gonna kill at least one enemy tonight? Put a 1 in chat if you think I'm gonna make any progress tonight. Put a 2 in chat if you don't think I will, and put a 3 in chat if it doesn't matter to you. You're just along for the ride. That guy dead? Oh, that's me! Wow. Wow, that is me. Can I throw my corpse? Jet. Armin. 3? Thank you. Hey, I'd rather see a 3 than any other number. Oh, is this like the spinning wheel? Ooh. Oh, hello. I would like to learn how to make clothes. Train tailoring. 253? Oh, for less, I shall teach less. Oh. Oh. They'll pay me based on what I got. Well, I ain't got a lot. I'm going back to the graveyard. I'm gonna stab whatever gets in my way. I bet there's a cool goodie over there. Okay. I'm gonna fight this lich. I'm gonna fight this. Oh, Jesus, that's so loud. Okay, I died. I got pulped instant. Again, I don't think I'm ready for that. I don't think I'm ready for that life. That was the loudest noise in any video game ever, I think. See, now the skeleton I could have taken. Okay, add another one. Yo, Derek, you cool if I just get naked in your house? We're tight like that, right? You've resurrected me like 45 times. Okay. All right, so maybe we don't try and fight like a lich. Maybe we find like a, you remember there were the cougars? Maybe we could stab a cougar to death. Can I fight a tree? No. I just needed to check. Can you blame me? All right, let's find like not a lich. Let's find like just some animals to stab. Like a serial killer. Yeah, boar. That'll be good. Okay, let's kill this guy. I think I'm whiffing every swing. I did 1 damage. That noise is gonna play for every 1 damage I do. Oh, what the fuck, man? Nice. My skill's gone up 0.1%. I think this is the worst sound effect in any game ever. I genuinely don't think it gets worse than this. No, don't start running, Piggy. Nice. Okay, he's dead. Now, can I like harvest him? No. No, there's nothing in there. What if I use the scissors on the sheep to get wool, and then I could sell the wool to the tailor? I cannot use that. Tame. Wait, I want to tame the sheep. Wait, I want a sheep friend. Come here. Come here. Friendly, come here. Why can't I tame him? Why can't I get that menu to come up? I wish he would stay still. Use scissors on. I think it thinks that I tried to use it on the tree. How I want it. I want a sheep friend. How do I tame the sheep? Stop running into the tree. What is tame? You have no chance of taming this creature. Okay, can I shear them? No. I'm gonna stab them. Oh, okay. Maybe I lied about the boar being the worst sound effect in any video game. Who who made and let me follow up that question with why? When I tab out, the audio stops. So I got that going for me. Is that the cougar? Oh, fuck. Run! Charity's Reach. Okay. All right, I think we're safe from the cougar here. This is nice. This is just a humble little homestead. Okay. Another sheep. Okay, kill the sheep. What is that? Oh, it's like a vulture. This truly is like playing like it's like playing fucked up evil RuneScape. I have just asked a very important question in DMs, like the most important thing ever. Nothing has ever been more important. Okay, yes, I do. Hold on, let me read the actual question before I agree to that. I think. Hold on, should I talk about this on stream or should I just DM you? My important private business? I know, I'm leaking DMs. You talk about on stream. Okay. Chat, she sent me a Minecraft picture. She asked me if I think it looks good. So I'm giving her Minecraft thoughts. Sorry. I think it looks good. I think it looks good. I'm not the biggest fan of the pink trees. You know what I mean? I'm not the biggest fan of them, but overall I think it looks really good. I think it looks better than before. Does that make sense? All right, hold on. Kill the sheep. Chase him down. Kill this guy. Nice. Still nothing. Maybe I can like now can I use the shears? Now that he's dead. No. So this is actually an interesting thing because as far as I know, murdering random animals was actually like a design discussion in this game when they were developing this game of like, well, what do we do? What because what was happening was that there were players who were just like auto farming animals and then like selling the carcasses. And so then new players weren't able to kill anything because people had macros and shit set up to just the moment a sheep would spawn, kill it instantly. And then it was like, well, do we increase the amount of sheep? Like, what do we do? And I don't know if they figured it out. I genuinely don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try. Let me try reading the FAQ again. Or getting started. Here we go. You make some early game gold by collecting resources based on what skills you have. Classes always have a need for each other. So try to find people who can use your lumber or iron ore rather than selling to an NPC. Okay. My question is, how? Can I just like pick it? Oh, there's a deer. What if I just like pick up the corpse? See, I want to like shear the sheep. I feel like that would that makes sense to me for the scissors, is shearing the sheep. I just threw my scissors at that sheep. I just slapped my scissors into that sheep carcass, and now my scissors are gone. Are you kidding me? I hold on. Is anyone in the chat see my scissors? Oh, they're inside the sheep carcass. Okay, like a tauntaun. Okay, sure, man. Why not? Okay. Where'd that deer go? Maybe we could stab the deer a bunch. Tame. Pappy Casted is just out here in the woods stabbing deer in the face, just fighting bucks. Because he doesn't know how to cast a goddamn spell. I'm getting bodied by this deer, actually. We need to leave. I need to go. I'm losing the fight with the deer. Really wish I could use my spell book as a mage. It would have been cool if I could have used my spell book. What do I need to like if I want to cast like magic arrow? Okay. Sulfurous ash. Um Looting rights. The right to loot is from the damage done. Okay, that's an interesting note. Um does not help. Took you just saying the name out loud for me to get it. It's a Pappy Land reference. We're out here repping Pappy Land in big 2026. Okay, skeleton. I want the skeleton. Did you ever wanna ding? Did you ever wanna learn? Did you ever wanna? Pappy Druid. Whoa. What's this? The house is just like new. To die for pizza. Does someone built a pizzeria? No, I don't. No, sorry. I don't want to kill. The pizza man. We can buy a pizza. How much? How much for one pizza? I'd like to purchase an item. Just say so. Okay, I'd like to purchase an item. How do I Why can't I choose like I don't know how to buy a pizza. Man, I can't even buy a pizza. Captured said Pappy Druid. Oh shit, that would have been a better name, wouldn't it? Hovel. I think this is player built housing. I'm gonna go back to the main town. We're gonna see if we can figure out something to make some money. Or buy some sulfuric ash or whatever it is, and then maybe I could shoot a fireball at the skeletons. And you too can do it. All follow me. Who's this guy? The Beastmaster. He's got like 600 animals. I don't know how to talk. I never learned how to talk. I'm scared. I never learned. How do I chat? Look at all those beasties. I never learned how to talk. Gnarled staff. Stolen. That was another player. That guy had 700 animals. Okay. What do I do with a cool staff? Beastmaster. Maybe I can be one of his beasts. How do I chat? No, this isn't. How do I interactive menu? How do you think you talk to another? Why didn't no one gave me the tutorial for how to talk? Chat. I'm gonna search chat. Chat button. We're not near you. Okay, but what if I want to chat to players who are near? What if I want to talk to players who are in fact near me? No. Skill. No. Hotkey. Heck. No, I don't know how to chat with another player, man. The chat button at the top? No, that's for talking to players who aren't near you. How do I chat with players who are near me? Hold on, check the PDF for the guidebook. Check the PDF for the guidebook. Okay, Prima strategy guide. How to talk to another player, please. Okay. Combat, adventuring, magic. See, okay, there's a thing in here about like you can talk to NPCs. Speak to them in complete sentences. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do any of the talking. If you slay a creature, make sure you dress your kill. How do I do that? Stealing, looting, role playing. Okay. 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 Role play. It's just giving me pages. The guidebook, the Prima strategy guide is just teaching me how to role play. I don't need that. I'm a master. They don't call me #1 ranked leaderboard ERPer for nothing. That's excellent role player. Thank you. Okay, here's what you do when you die. All right, I'm gonna search the Discord. Um, Game help. Searching game help. Chat. That's not helpful. Game help. Search game help. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just hit every key on my keyboard. Oh, I'm typing. Whoa-wee. All right, we solved it. We got it. We're good. I got it. Okay, we know how to chat. We know how to chat. Okay, so does that mean I can talk to Drew, the wandering healer? Oh, wait, I want to try equipping my cool. No, I want to. No, I want to take the knife out of your hand. Equip the cool staff. Okay, move all my death robes. Equip the mace fighting. Oh, I'm cool as shit now. But it's a two-hander. Oh, man. But I look cool as shit. New to Ultima Online, I am. The first time playing, I'm playing on, there's the YouTuber Magellar. He's got a private server, and I was like, this would be interesting. I'm just curious. And I've been having a ton of fun just trying to figure things out and think like it's 1997. Okay, all right. So now I can talk to Drew, right? Drew, my man. Got me up, brother. All right, Drew did not like that. Drew, how do I make gold? You gotta help me, Drew. He does not want to talk to me. Okay. All right. Fuck you, Drew. I'm gonna go beat some deer to death with my cool staff. I got this. I got this now. At least I figured out how to chat to other people. That's the whole premise of this weekend streams. So we've accomplished that. I'm basically a pro Ultima Online player at this point. Oh wait, I wanted to go. Can I swim? I wanted to go into town. Let's see if I can like buy some cool ash or something. Pile of bones. Oh, that's me again. That's my remains. That's my corpse again. Skeleton. We're in attack mode. Chat. It is time. Fight the skeleton. Kill the skeleton. Please. Please. I've never asked for anything more in my life. Please. Please let me land one hit on the skeleton. Please. How much damage did I just do? Two. Okay, not bad. We just got to do that like 800 more times. We're going to die. I need to go. At least we figured out how to fight. We may not have figured out how to skin animals and make money or any skill whatsoever. We still have not made it out of this first area. We've only seen one other player because everyone else is in the actual game. But goddamn it, I figured out how to swing my big stick. And just like Abe Lincoln always said, yell loudly and swing that thing. This is a good stream. Okay, let's like head in. Surely there's no like lich or evil things. If I like go into town. Maybe we should try like practicing talking to NPCs. Like maybe I got to select an NPC first. Like, okay, double click on her and then type like, hello. All right. Hello? The Prima strategy guide says I can talk to NPCs. All right, I'm not going crazy. The Prima strategy guide says you could talk to NPCs. Index. Wait. Search. I'm going to search NPC. Okay. Here we go. Speech. Speak to other players or NPCs. Type what you wish to say. Press enter. The text will be displayed above your head and can be seen by everyone on screen. Oh, so these ones just aren't, they're not even going to talk to me. These guys are assholes. Good morning. All right. All right. You just make me look like an asshole. I want to go into town and I want to learn how I'm going to give someone my gold and learn how to skin an animal or something. Or maybe find someone who will sell me ash so I can shoot fireballs. What was this place? The Counselors Guild. No one's in there. So counselors are like the good players. Okay, this was... Ooh, the Adventurer's Friend. I bet they might have some ash. Buy. Dice and cup. No. Backgammon board. No. Book. Empty bottle. Apple. Lockpick. Torch. Candle. Pouch. Crossbow bolt. Plant bolt. This is not helpful. Sell. Where do I buy ash? Will anyone here speak to me? No, they all hate my guts. They're all making fun of me behind my back. What does this guy sell? Buy. Scissors. I have scissors. Dies. Okay, so you definitely use scissors to get stuff to make cloth. The question is how? I have the scissors. I guess it's not like Minecraft. You don't use them on sheep? Ironwork. Okay, this is just armor. Okay, the goal is to punch a skeleton in the face and sell one item. Make the smallest amount of gold. If we can accomplish that, then I can accomplish anything. Rangers? We're not a ranger. Ranger. Pudgy pig. Warrior. No. I'm a mage. Gadgets corner. Wait, I like gadgets. Train tinkering. Shovel. I could buy a shovel. Sewing kit. Scissors. Tongs. Nails. Saw. Ooh, can I use the saw to chop down trees? Blowpipe. Pickaxe. Pickaxe might be good. Butcher knife. I bet we use the butcher knife on the animals we've killed. Who's with me? My good man, I'd like to purchase one butcher knife. Your finest butcher knife. Your finest pickaxe. Fair enough for the saw. And your finest saw. All right. Now we're playing Minecraft. You thought this wasn't a Margecraft Monday? You were wrong. I'm going to chop down this tree right now. Carpentry. Oh. I didn't think about that, did I? Fishing pole, though. Boards or log. Okay. Can I use the saw on the tree? Can I put away my staff and equip saw? Okay, saw is not axe. Okay. But pickaxe. We're not strong enough to equip that. What about... What was this? Oops. 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 Dagger. What was this? Butcher knife. Okay, so if we go beat a deer to death with my stick, can I then use the butcher knife and get cuts of meat that there's probably like a butcher around here and I could sell it to? Hammer and nail. Is this where I get an axe? Chop the tree. Train lumberjack. Shepherd. Hammer, saw. Oh, is the in shave what I'm supposed to use? Dude, I don't know what these are. We gotta go. I want to go beat a goat to death and then butcher it. Chat, do you feel like you understand Ultima Online? Do you feel like you are you immersed? You feel like you've been transported to a faraway virtual land? Fisherman's Guild. I want to join the Fisherman's Guild. The Majestic Boat. The Magician's Friend. Okay, I don't really have a lot of money left. You guys got any ash I could buy? Trained taste identification. Spiders. Sulfurious ash. We're going to be able to cast Fireball. Okay. I have enough to cast Fireball, or no, Magic Missile. I can cast Magic Arrow like 4 times. That skeleton is not going to know what the fuck hit him. All right, now I just got to get out of town. There's another player. Michael? That's me. I'm Michael. Do you guys get really excited when you meet someone who has your same name? Like of all the people to run into, I ran into another Michael. Isn't that exciting? Is that just a me thing? Okay. All right. Let's go kill an animal and then see if I can butcher it. First animal I see, we're going to beat to death with my big stick. This guy only RPs as hunters. Well, I want him to be a miner, but I'm not strong enough to hold the pickaxe. A goat. We're going to kill this guy. Okay. It's working. Hold on. I'll make this cooler. Gaming never got better than this, baby. Did that goat just heal? Am I taking so long to beat this goat to death with a big wooden stick that he healed? Oh, fuck. No, that cougar needs to leave now. No, that cougar needs to go away. No, oh, fuck. No, the goat's gonna go to the cougar. Come on, man. Come here. Okay, he's dead. Okay. Now, we equip. One of these is the hunting knife. I think it's the butcher knife. Where's the butcher knife? Butcher. What is it? No, go away. The butcher knife. Okay. And then with the butcher knife, Nothing. Okay, what do I? What do I? Wait. Yeah, I know goat corpse. Can I butcher it? Can I clean it? Hello? No. Wrong. Just unequip the knife. Just unequip the knife. Oh, the hides are now in the corpse. We did it. I don't know what these things are, but we got them. What is that? You see there's a tiny thing I can't click on. You see this? That's definitely another item, but this is a very aggravating inventory system. I know this is how Ultima works, and I kind of think it's charming, but oh, okay, there was nothing in there. Okay. All right, we got some meat and some ribs or something. Hide and ribs. All right. All right, we got a goal in life now. We're gonna beat shit to death with our stick, and then butcher it. I'm about to turn this game's in-game economy on its head. They ain't never seen a mage like me. Or let's kill that guy. I feel like I've mastered Ultima Online. I feel like I've seen the whole game. Anyone else agree? I've basically got the full picture at this point. But you do kind of get, I don't know, man. Like, it is crazy how many trademarks of an MMO are here in 1997 are present. Would I rather play Final Fantasy 14? Yeah. But it's a language. It's a language, and this is like Latin. Final Fantasy 14's like Pig Latin. Dude, we're doing threes to the boars now. Ultima Online doesn't have triple triad. That's true. That's true. I can understand how in 1997 this was like mind blowing to play this online with people. To play an Ultima RPG online, I totally get this. Hey, I'll be right back. Stream's not over yet. How you like it so far? We got a little bit left. Damn, pig's not any closer to being dead, is it? Tough pig. If we can kill this hog by the end of the stream, I'll consider it a win. He got his health back. Why was he able to heal? This is insane to me. Ew. Oh, that's just a normal pig. Okay. It's crazy that we made it to the final boss of Ultima Online. Isn't that nuts? Look at how much our mace fighting skill goes up though. We're kind of killing it. All right, this boar is going to be dead soon. This has been fun. Like, I've really enjoyed this stream. Truly and genuinely, it's been fun to figure this game out. In the truest sense, it is retro archaeology. And I also feel like if I can make this entertaining, I can make anything entertaining. No offense to Ultima Online. If I could do a 3-hour stream where I make this fun to watch, I'm doing all right as a streamer. You almost dead? Chat, what's your favorite MMO? Do any of you guys have an MMO that you dumped a billion hours into? feel like for most people of a certain age, it's WoW. Or RuneScape. FF14 I put 1,400 hours into. So I think legally I have to say that one. But in my heart, I'll always say Club Penguin. Okay, some ribs. Man, all of that for 2 ribs. That was a choice. Let's kill like one more thing. And then we'll head into town and see if I can sell it. I don't think I should fight the deer. Deer fucked me up last time. And to be fair to Ultima Online, there's stuff in Final Fantasy 14 that is equally as like, what am I supposed to be doing here? How do I get into this? Samson the Wandering Healer. Samson the Wandering Healer. Train healing. I don't have any money to give you. No, I don't want to kill him. I don't have any money left, I think. How do I throw things on the ground? There we go. I'm gonna litter. Great sound effect, by the way. What is this? Oh, is this my gold? I have 5 gold coins. Timberwolf. You think I can fight the wolf with a stick? Oh, there's like a couple wolves. There's like multiple wolves. Feel like that'd probably be a bad idea. Don't want to do that. I'm gonna beat this eagle to death with a stick. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. National anthem. All right, 72 hours to kill this bird with a stick. Actually, the bird's doing more damage to me than I am to it. Which is accurate to real life. If it was between me and a stick and a big ass bird, I do think the big ass bird would win. This is very cinematic, doing it in the rain. I'm actually losing a fight with this bird. I gotta get out of here. Is it snowing? Wait, what's with all the blue? Look at all the blue particles. What is that? The graveyard. I'm gonna get killed here. But Chad, were any of you RuneScape kids? Did any of you like grind level 99 woodcutting? Because this has that feeling. This makes me I wanna smash rocks till I'm level 99 in it. And now I'm like, well damn, should I do a RuneScape stream? Hey, maybe if we do another theme week. Maybe if we do another virtual friends and virtual lands week. Maybe I try RuneScape. Okay, who can we sell our meat to? So I can buy more things to shoot fireballs. Maybe these guys. Bench. No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to fight anyone. You guys got like a barkeep I can talk to? Here we go. Sell. You would have nothing? Not even the ribs? Okay, let's find a butcher maybe. Surely someone's got to want to buy something we got. I can make some gold coin to buy stuff to shoot night arrows. Or magic arrows. Magic missile. Hey man, you want to buy my meat? No, I don't think he does. Oh, fuck. No, why is the lich attack? Why is there a lich in his store? That's so fucked up. And now I'm gonna die because I got poisoned. Please buy my stuff before I die. Please, I'm dying. Well, you don't even want the hides? There's got to be a butcher around here somewhere. Butcher? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Why did I go into the weapon place? Why is there a lich in the weapon place? I hope no one loots me. I hope no one loots me. I gotta run all the way back to Jeff the Magic Healer. Yo, if anyone loots me, your mom's a hoe. Why didn't they ever make a stepsister from Planet Weird MMO? So usually companies want to like make money to stay afloat. So hope that helps. Okay, I gotta go get my stick back. Damn, and my ash. Yo, if someone loots my ash, I'm gonna cry. I feel like with like a high pop server, I think the sandbox aspect of this is like really dope. I think the idea of like getting some buddies together and like questing together and like setting up your own money machine is incredibly dope, and I think that's why survival games exist. I think that's why 400 different games that do that kind of thing exist. You know what I mean? My big stick. Wait, I level up just by equipping my stick? Rangers. I need like a butcher. Where's the town butcher? I think this isn't this gadgets, and the other one is like the nail and paddle or something. Is there a town butcher? Shimmering jewel. I bet they buy ores. Colored canvas. Okay, maybe they buy like dyes. The musician's hall. No. Cam the town crier. Hello, Cam. What's the news today? Oh, these guys I can talk to. The Mint of Vesper. Hello? 5. Community deed. No, I don't need a deed. The bubbling brew. Okay, maybe they'll buy like my ribs or something. Sell. Oh, they just want my ash. I'm not selling that. Fuck you. Okay, what about this building with no roof? The magical light. The circles. You guys want a stick? Train Majory. Oh. No, they also just want my ash. Well, it's not for sale, buddy. Let's see. There's another building over here. The Ore of Vesper. No. Just need a butcher shop. And then I can buy more cool ash. And then I'm going to go cast 16 fireballs at a skeleton. How do I even upload this VOD? Like, what is the thumbnail even going to be? The busy bees? I read that as the pussy bees. Wait, can I get it a beehiving? Hey, is it too late to can I pitch like a cool Austin Powers joke? What if he threw like a hive at a guy's head and then the guy died and he went, "Oh, behave." Wouldn't that be cool if he did that? Twisted oven. So, nothing. Okay, what's this place? The butcher's knife. Here we go. Here we go. So, cut of raw ribs. Wow. Wow, we made $12. Yippee! What's this again? Hides. Okay, maybe there's like a tannery. Farmer's market. You want hide? No. I think this is just a fisherman's house. Can you stop moving around? This guy doesn't want to buy shit. Okay, we did make $12 though. Which is like, that's like 3 more spells. Unless I can sell, unless there's like a tannery out here. So we'll sell, and I'll buy enough for the 3 spells, and then we're going to go shoot spells at skeletons until we feel better about our personal image. Oh, this is B-Town. I gotta let my stamina up. What's this one? Fisherman's Guild. Where do I sell hide? The Majestic Boat. Yeah, because I think one of the things you could do in this game is like make your own ship and sail the waters, which is kind of crazy. Magician's friend. Well, we can buy spells. Stop moving away from me. I know I stink. Bye. Oh, it's 6 per. Oh, I thought. Oh, okay. That's 2 more spells though. We can shoot 6 magic arrows at a skeleton. Let's do it. Let's go kill a skeleton. Surely we can kill 1 skeleton. How hard can a skeleton be? Why is this the worst laid out town in all of existence? What is this place? Oh, the youth hostel. Hello, would anyone like to be my apprentice? Hello? I'm taking a young ward. Preferably an orphan. That if they died in the woods fighting eagles, no one would miss them. Come along, my boy. What is the name of your store? Real estate office. Sorry, I'm still kind of looking. I'm like passively looking for a tannery. Oh, this was the like bar. Yeah, they didn't want anything to do with me in here. All right. Fireball, throw it against the wall. Fireball, throw it against the wall. Ball. Hey, I haven't heard a single tanner shop. God damn it. Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in. Wow, wait, I have a lot of those. Guys, we can buy so many spells. Where was the magic shop? This truly is a terribly laid out town. I gotta, like, from a video game design perspective, this shit is crazy. Was this the magic store? Oh my god, just let me read the sign, please. Real estate. All right, who's excited to see me fight a skeleton? Say yeah. Okay, is this the magic store? Magic store. Okay. Okay, 6 more. Now, what do I need to learn cure or to cast cure? What do I need to heal myself? Heal. Garlic, ginseng, and spider silk. 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 Okay, spider silk. Do 3. Garlic, ginseng. Okay, that's all our money. All right. It's time to fight a skeleton. May God have mercy on your soul, Pappy Cast It. And may Lord Britons. No, Lord Breton. Isn't that his name? Okay, here's my favorite thing about Ultima. Can I tell you my favorite thing? So, what's his name? Richard Garriott. Like, created Ultima. Okay. And he's self-inserted into every game as Lord British. The Lord of Britannia. Okay. But also in the like early 90s, he was like, I'm also going to be a voice actor in these games. So you'll have these games where it's like, I am the Guardian. I will defeat you, Avatar. And then you go and talk to Lord British, and it is the most like Milwaukee nerd you've ever heard going, I am the great Lord British. Welcome to my kingdom of Britannia. And it's so dope. It's so cool. Okay, now if I set myself to war mode. All right, chat, put a 1 in chat if you think I'm going to win the fight with a skeleton. Put a 2 in chat if you're a doubter. Okay. All right, get magic arrow. Okay. We just need 1 skeleton. I need a skeleton. I would also take a zombie. I think it's going to work. I just got to get him to come. No, come here. Come here. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! It worked! That did 3 damage to him, though. This is not doing as much damage as I hoped it would. Whoa. Look how much progress we made. Aren't you proud of me? Uh-oh. 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 Run. Why can't I cast? Why am I not casting? We're also like not leveling up our casting ability, you know, like okay, we're getting low on magic arrows. That's okay. No, 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 no. Get this. Fuck you. Get his health bar off my fucking screen right now, man. We got 2 more shots. Okay, that's all. Okay. It's time to get out my really big stick and punch this guy in the face with it. Come on. Look how much damage we have, okay? And we have healing spells. Please. Please hit him with the big stick. You are getting bodied right now. For the love of God, hit him. Okay, that's not good enough damage. Where's my good knife? Where's my knife? This is the worst inventory of all time. Where the fuck's my knife? Am I crazy? Okay, now stab him. This is not. This is worse. Dude, we did 5 damage to him. Okay, do that like 25 more times. Come on. Please. Please. Oh no, Michael! Hello, Michael. Pay me no mind, Michael. He's just standing there watching me. This is embarrassing. What is Michael doing? Need any help? Yeah. Help me, Michael. Michael. Thank you. You're my hero, Michael. Wow, we did it. We made a friend. Guys, we made a virtual friend in a virtual land. It was that easy. Wow. Thank you, Michael. Everyone in chat say thank you, Michael. You good? Yeah. Yeah. Just reading my spell book. Smile. Thank you, Michael. I love you. We did it, guys. We made a friend. And that's basically how easy it is. Oh. 52 coins. We can buy so many spells with that. What is it? Bone. I'll take that. I can whistle with that. All right, chat. And now we've mastered Ultima Online. I basically got the full experience. I fought a thing. I died. I fought it again. 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 I died. And then I made a friend who fought it for me. And that's basically what it's all about. That's it for the stream. I'm going to get out of here. I will be back tomorrow. Probably around 7 EST. And we're going to hop into another virtual world. We're going to play Webkins. And I have some Webkins. And we're going to play some Webkins. And then Wednesday, no stream. Thursday, Toontown Online. Which, if you want to play with me on that one, we can do that. And then Friday, we're going to play some Friend Slop. So, week's just starting. I like it so far. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. This was a very funny stream. I'm not opposed to the idea of doing another Ultima Online stream if the demand is there. But maybe I'm the only one demanding it. Because maybe I'm the only one who had a shit ton of fun with this stream. This ruled. All right, chat. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you tomorrow night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.